Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you the fake Kylie Blue Honey palette that I got from, was it DHgate I believe I got it from? It came in a few days ago and oh my god, listen, whenever I buy a palette, obviously palettes, they could break, they could shatter, and I always leave a message for the seller to please wrap it in as much bubble wrap as you can, just to prevent it from potentially breaking. And they always do, which is very, very kind of them. Obviously it just stops them from ending up getting like disputes against them and stuff like that, because you best believe if it came broken, I want my money back. Anyway, so the person wrapped it up in loads and loads of bubble wrap, and when I opened it, I unwrapped it, this smell just started to come out of it and it stunk. I even opened up the palette itself and the smell is coming from the palette, not the bubble wrap, but it absolutely stunk like chemicals. It was horrible. So for a few days I left it out of that bubble wrap, and let's see if there's any change. Nope, it still really stinks, but just not to the same degree. Anyway, so this is the outer box that it came in, and you can see up there it says the Blue Honey palette. On the back it says Kylie XOXO, but if you can see here, it says Periwinkle, Trophy, Stone, Lilac, blah 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 blah. Those are the names of the shades, I think, in the purple palette, not this palette anyway. And also it said made in PRC, and I believe that Kylie's makeup is made in the States, so that already is big giveaway. This is the front. I'm not too sure if this is the color arrangement for this palette, but this doesn't look like it would match the Blue Honey palette. It just doesn't match. It's got purple and red and stuff. I don't know. Anyway, it also says on the back the purple palette, but it has the correct colors named on the back, but as you can see, some of them are like incorrectly spelled, like the word honey, where it says like here sweet like honeyet and blue honeyet when it's supposed to say honey. The only honey that they got right was here where it says, here where it says honeymoon, but aside from that, everything else is like the word honey is just misspelled. So here is the palette itself. It comes with a mirror up here. I believe the real one, sorry, I have to move this away from my face because it smells so bad. I believe the real one has, I don't think it has a mirror. I think it's just has her signature Kylie from what I saw, from what I remember. Anyway, so these are the shades that it comes with. They absolutely reek, and I don't know if you can tell, but whoever put the palette onto back of this did it completely wrong. You see it like there's this big gap here, and then on that side it's kind of like coming off the edge. It's not centered properly, and even though I tried to move it, like just adjust it with my fingers, it's just stuck so hard on the back of the palette that it's just not moving. So it's kind of like mis-centered as well. I'm not saying that if you were to get this palette then that's exactly what you're going to get to, but I'm just letting you know that that is how my one came. So already the telltale signs to see whether or not it's a fake is, does it say purple palette on the back? How would the words honey spell? And on the box, does it have the names for the purple palette? It did come with this little slip thing over the front of it. So now we're gonna get into swatching these shades so you can see exactly what they are like. Okay, so here are the swatches of all of the shades, and you can see that these are just so terrible. They're so patchy. I think the only one which is decent is this shade here. The rest of them are complete and utter trash. The thing is, I really wanted to do like an eye look with this. As you can see, my eyes are completely bare, but the way that these smell and the way that these swatch just make me feel really uncomfortable, especially the smell thing. They smell like gasoline. It's horrible. I just do not want to chance these on my eyes, so I'm just not going to. But these are the swatches. They are horrific. I can't even deny it, they are horrific, so I'm not even gonna. So yeah, this is the fake Kylie Blue Honey palette shades. They're just so bad. They are just so bad. Stay away from it. Don't get it. Just get the real thing. If it's still available, just get the real thing. Don't get this. It's just horrible, and I think you can tell that the smell has really just put me off. So yeah, that's it. I ain't got nothing else to say about it. Just stay away from it, seriously. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.